Thank you so much, everyone. And just let me know if you all can hear me or not. If there is any problem, just let me know clearly. So, Assalamu alaikum, esteemed guests and students, of course. I am hopeful that you all would have been seated very carefully, very comfortably in your seats. And I'm honored to share these moments with everyone else. But the point is, why am I here? So let me start by introducing myself. I am Hira Iqbal. I am born to incredible parents. My father served in Pakistan Army and my mother served in education sector for 30 years. And I'm the youngest of the siblings and the only daughter. So I was always given the same opportunities as my brothers and as all the other male members in the family. Listening that I got the equal opportunities, it's very common thing, not really fancy, right? But the point is that these days we are so much liberal with the word equal opportunities that we don't even realize that for many people, for many females, this basic opportunity, this basic equality is given to them in form of a privilege. So the fact that एक बेसिक ह्यूमन राइट किसी को एक लग्जरी की फॉर्म में मिल रहा है, सो यू हैव टू अर्न दैट थिंग. I was lucky enough that I did not have to learn, earn these things. And the point is, my father is sitting outside right now representing my company. So that's the point of equality I got. But not everyone here and not everyone in the industry is getting these kind of opportunities. So my aim is to cater those people who are not aware. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गर्ल्स जिनको रियलाइज नहीं होता कि उनकी एक्चुअली पावर क्या है और वो किस पॉइंट पर किस पोजीशन तक जा सकती हैं. Many people have so much skill in them, even male members, even female members. I won't be, differentiated. But उस skill को utilize करना और use करना नहीं आता है, वहाँ बहुत basic चीज़ों में. But I'll start by telling you something about myself. There will be two stories, and then you tell me which one you prefer. So first thing I'm saying that I'm the only daughter. I am the youngest of the siblings, and I look like my father. And I'm allergic to sugar. And oh yeah, I don't know what sugar tastes like, which is actually true. And I don't think that this is enough for this platform, for this industry to be remembered about, because this is not what I own. This is not my identity. Now, saying that I'm a business graduate, I am a technical recruiter for 6+ years almost, and I've been a co-founder of Girlface, which is enthusiast for the youth and for the female of the youth. So that is the thing suitable for this platform. Saying that I'm a mother, I'm a sister, daughter-in-law, or a wife, that is not my identity. That is my relation. So all you girls need to realize that don't interfere your relationships with the position you have. So these are your relationships. Don't convert them into your identity. My identity is that I am a technical recruiter. This is what I own. I did not make effort to be someone's sister. I made efforts to be a technical recruiter. And that's what I'm going to be representing myself for. So another thing is that let me tell you a story about a girl जिसके साथ मैंने तकरीबन 5 महीने काम किया था. So don't get me wrong, don't get me a negative person. I'm just making you realize that these are the common things जो बहुत सारी लड़कियों को face करने पड़ते हैं. मैंने उस लड़की के साथ काम किया. Sorry. So what happened was, she kept on complaining about her trainer. कि जो मेरा manager है वो मुझे ठीक तरह training नहीं दे रहा. And manager was actually a genius. तो वो genius उसके level पे आ नहीं पा रहा था. Which was completely natural. It's actually justified. So what happened is she went on her maternity leave, and after a few months she was never invited back to the company. उनको offer ही नहीं किया गया कि आप maternity leave के बाद वापस आओ. So she was the first person to be considered laid off on her paid maternity leave when she was actually eligible for that position. So एक उनकी paid maternity leave that ended, and उस position में वो highlight हो गई that she should be the first person to go from the company. Why is that so? Because at that time, everyone was considering, can I have water? Everyone was considering that everyone actually considering that she is going to be a mother and software developer वाली position तो कहीं और ही रह जाती है. So उन्होंने उस चीज को own करना पड़ा उनको. That's what I want कि जितनी females यहाँ पर बैठी हैं वो इस चीज को own ना करें. Don't even care about आपके भाई की शादी है या कुछ भी है. Your father is not letting you come. Just make them convinced. Do efforts. And start from the beginning. Utilize all the resources you have, and this goes for male and female people, equally. So what happens is, I would tell everyone here to मेक अ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, उसमें आपके पास इतने सारे ऑप्शन होती हैं, आपकी इतनी रीच होती है, आप लोग इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते। आई एम बीइंग अ टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट, आई हैव 20,000 कनेक्शन और मैं 20,000 कनेक्शन को कुछ भी नहीं समझती। आई एम वेरी केयरफुल कि मैं किस किस को ऐड करूं सो दैट आई यूटिलाइज माय कनेक्शन वेरी वेल। आप लोगों के पास एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, यूटिलाइज दैट। आई सी मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आउटसाइड जिनको भी मैं पूछ रही हूँ that you have a LinkedIn connection or LinkedIn profile or not, and they don't know what LinkedIn profile is. So यूटिलाइज दिस इंटरनेट, इंस्टाग्राम और इन सब चीजों से बाहर आकर आपके पास इतने सोर्सेज हैं, आप उनको यूटिलाइज करें। मेक योर सीवी। No one wants to know that what is your date of birth. No one wants to know that what is your CNIC. Make your CV that represents you. What efforts you have made to highlight yourself. आप अपनी CV बनाएं। There are many people out there, मेरे जैसे लोग, who are more than willing to guide you. कि आप ये चीज करें, ये एफर्ट्स करें, आप इसको इस तरह से प्रेजेंट करें। And the most important thing, keep learning. That's keep a margin of being wrong. Keep a margin of having something to learn from. आप किसी conversation में you can be quiet that maybe somehow you get something to learn from that conversation, and maybe you can be wrong. So keep that margin to learn all the time. I am 29, mashallah. I am still studying. मैं अभी भी पढ़ रही हूँ with a full-time job and everything, with a family as well. So don't let these things come in your way. Don't be a girl. Just be a person. Just be a software developer. Just be an HR manager. And I just wanna say, मेरी request होगी हर लड़की हर female से that I am saying directly to you, stop using the women card. We are not using women card anymore. So I would request the society as well to stop using it on us. We are not women. We are software developers. We are everything that you can imagine. हमारे पास इतनी skill है that आप, if you take an online interview without knowing my name, you can go blind. You can just hire me without even giving it a second thought. So girls yourself, stop playing the women card on yourself. You deserve more. You have enough skills. You are not just enough. You are more than enough. You are just enough to be in that position. Just look around, find your resources. First thing I would say, go to LinkedIn, make your profiles, analyze करो इस पूरी market को, the male members as well, not just the female members. Many of you don't even know what market is. आप लोग study से, lucky for you, आप लोग PNY जैसे institute से हो जो practicality सिखाते हैं, but बहुत से लोग इस तरह lucky नहीं होते. So just आप लोग analyze करो, exposure लेके आओ अपने अंदर. Females जो हैं, they should invest their time in just researching. Research and learn. That's everything. Learn how to make your CV. Learn how to give an interview. Learn how to work efficiently. And learn it on your own. जो भी आपको resource मिलता है, आपको कोई senior मिलता है, even if he's talking rudely to you, just go to him. Keep on asking and asking again and again. There will be a time जब वो आपको सिखाने पे ready हो जाएंगे. So these are the few things जो कि I'm not saying कि ये मैं आपको pointers दे रही हूँ, as I said कि जॉब सबको मिल जाती है, which is actually true. जॉब वाकई में सबको मिल जाती है. बट द पॉइंट इज, मैं आपको वो पॉइंटर्स नहीं दूंगी कि आपको इन काम करो, आपको डेफिनेटली जॉब मिलेगी. आई वांट यू ऑल टू बिल्ड योर पर्सनालिटी. ऐसे एथिक्स अपने अंदर लेकर आओ दैट इफ समवन, few HR people talk about you, they talk in a way कि इस बंदे का वर्क एथिक्स बहुत अच्छा है. इफ यू आर हायरिंग मी, यू आर लकी कि इस बंदे का वर्क एथिक्स इतना अच्छा है, ये लॉयल है, ही इज डेडिकेटेड पर्सन. So be that person, be that girl, and just be more than what you can even think of. So that's my a little bit of motivation. I'm not a big motivational speaker, but that's what I want to say to all the girls out there, to every student out there, that just keep margin of being wrong, keep margin of learning something, and keep margin of struggling all the time. There is no job less than the other. Just be more than you think of yourself. And with that note, I really thank you all for listening quietly and not taking me a negative. But I really appreciate all of the girls, because in this audience में खुद देख रही हूँ कि female male ratio is not that much good. So this is my personal motto कि मैं इस ratio को equal करूँ. This diversity should be equal, because if they are skilled, they should be given a chance, and they should realize that we deserve a chance. So that's what I want from these girls, and that the level of work ethics that I want from everyone. So thank you so much, and have a good day.